Kia ora. It's been a while, and yeah, I guess that's the reason for today's video. I wanted to get something up. This is not going to be what I would normally post, but yeah, it's what I have to post. Basically, I've been busting a nut to try to get this thing finished and the video done. But deadline day's today, and I've got to go visit my folks and my kids in Australia, and I'm held up again. I started this thing before we went away to Europe for the wedding. Anybody's been following along, you would have seen some of that. And look, this is probably my first piece of real furniture. I've made a bed and some stools and stuff. But this is, it's got legs, it's got drawers, it's got a top, it's got a hinged lid, it's got all the things. And yeah, I guess I was, what's the word? Basically, I was just constantly scared of it because I didn't know how to do the next bit. I didn't know how to do the next bit. And yeah, it just, I want to kind of let all of you people know out there who are trying to do the same thing. It doesn't matter. Just forge ahead and you'll learn. This piece has got so many mistakes, and that's fine. Not the least of which is design. But yeah, it is what it is, and I've learned so much, and it's been great. And when I get back, I'll actually finish it and put out a proper video on the whole build from raw materials up. This has got driftwood, it's got material reclaimed from inside the house from some doors, it's got classic pallet wood, it's got everything in it, it's got panel making, it's got all the stuff. It's really cool projects. I don't know whether it'll end up looking all right. It's a bit eclectic, but that's okay. Anyway, yeah, just basically jumping on to let you know that I'm still kicking. I'm still doing this, and I'm starting to get a real flow. I'm starting to walk out to the shop and go, yes, let's do this, and then that, and oh, that didn't work. I can fix it. That kind of stuff. It's coming, and it's really, really very exciting. But it's still coming, and that's okay. I'm a bit frustrated that I have to stop now for a few weeks, but again, that's okay. I'm going to go do a great thing and have some fun times with the family and have some adventures in Aussie. So that'll be heaps of fun. So yeah, instead of a proper video, I'm just going to show you some fairly raw footage from just today. Just today, I'm trying to get the legs on this thing, seeing if it all kind of matches, putting it together in its end orientation for the very first time. And yeah, for me, getting a look at it for the first time, I'm going to post this today, so you guys are going to be able to see it the same day that I saw it for the first time. And maybe you've got your projects and you're ticking along and you're afraid to put them together. Yeah, just do it. It doesn't matter if it looks crap because you'll have learned from that, and next time the next thing you make will be better. Hopefully it'll turn out great. But yeah, anyway, that's it for me. I'll catch you in probably 4 weeks. I reckon I'll get this posted. So we're looking at the end of, where are we? The end of February. And that is what it is. Anyway, be good to each other, and I'll catch you next time. So last piece of the puzzle is these legs. I've already got them made up. So just need to turn them into 4 legs. The back legs are straight, about, I think they're 730mm long, and the front ones are on a 8-degree angle, and they're about 737 long. So let's chop them in half, roughly. It's about 750 to the middle, and then go from there. Now we just use some differential measurement to get this right. So these legs sit kind of like that, but there's a cutout. So back ones don't matter. This is the front, right? Not that that doesn't matter either. So if we do the cutout to roughly there, that'll be cool. The same for this one. Cut out to roughly there. That'll work. And then these guys, they sit like that. So I might put this one on this side. Doesn't matter where, so we'll just plonk that there. Plonk that there. That one. This one can go there. There we are. And roughly halfway, whatever that is, to there. Let's cut that out. And there you go. Very nice. This second one is living in opposite land, so he's got to be angled like that, not like that. So look here, you can just go like that. There we go. This one goes like that. And this one goes like that. Lovely. And you can see, maybe, I'm not sure if you can see in this shot, but the edge of this holds the bottom so that I can leave it free to slide back and forth with wood movement as it expands and contracts. So it'll only be connected at the front with glue, if that makes sense. It'll kind of unfold later. I'm not going to show you the same thing again on the legs because it's just the same except easier. So I'll catch you when that's done. Made myself a drill guide, so I'm just going to bung some holes in it. I'm going to screw this, I'm going to put some inserts in this guy and bolts through from the outside. I think that'll look quite nice. So yeah, let's just make some holes. I think it'll be all right. I think the drill could potentially use a sharpen or a bin. Anyway, it's just a way of making holes, and I made holes. And that's kind of it. Looking pretty good. And here it is. All kind of put together. For the first time. Yeah. It's hard to know what to say about a thing like this. You spend so much time and effort making it, and then you look at it and it's like, well, it's just this little piece of furniture. But, gotta love the process. Anyway, guys, if you've watched all the way through this unusual video, thanks so much. I'm off to Aussie tomorrow morning, and can't wait to get back in the shed and actually finish this and put out a video on how it was all done. Cheers, guys. Matewa.